The first thing to do is to make a design. We want to make a design that we are going to cut out. Next, we're going to select some spuds. Ooh, those are some tasty taters. We're going to remove all the negative space from our design. Roll out some ink. Here, Miss Jones has a cool two-tone. And then we roll that ink on our potato. That's one rock and root vegetable. We take that inked up potato and we firmly press it down onto our paper. Careful not to have it slide left or slide right, or up or down. That's a real neat tree. You can tell by the way that it is. When you're finished with one color, get a different color and a different stamp. Add as many layers as you want. The more layers, the more interesting your final design will be.